French dip sliders are the only recipe when I have some leftover shredded beef to use up. From the crispy rolls, the shredded beef cheese, to the secret cream cheese spread, these are absolutely delicious. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you're officially cooking with Carly. Like I said before, today we're talking all about French dip sliders. And these are just like little nuggets of goodness. I have here just some leftover shredded beef, just from, we had like regular French dip sandwiches that this was leftover from, or you could use leftover pot roast that you have on hand. Any type of shredded beef will work great with this recipe. This recipe is super quick. From start to finish, you're eating in under 20 minutes. There's hardly any prep, just a little bit of mixing, tossing everything onto our rolls here, and then sliding them into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until everything is warm. So this is great for those crazy weeknights where you need dinner on the table fast. So what I have right here are just some dinner rolls. I just got these from like my local grocery store, their bakery section. Those Hawaiian rolls work great too. I have my leftover shredded beef. You can use it warm, you can use it cold. This is cold. It'll heat up in the oven, so you don't need to do that extra step. I have some cream cheese, I have some butter, and then the au jus seasoning mix. I have 2 teaspoons of that, and that is going to give this cream cheese butter spread like the flavors out of this world. You just have to try it, trust me, and try it. And then we have Swiss cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like though. Provolone is also great. My favorite Swiss though. All of the directions and the exact ingredient amounts are in the link in the description below. You can go to my website, cookingwithcarly.com, and print out this recipe so you can have it on hand always. So to start out, we're just going to slice the rolls in half with our trusty bread knife here. All right, that should get us through there. Okay, I'm just going to pop these tops off and then combine the butter, our room temperature cream cheese, and the au jus seasoning mix. This is room temperature butter also. You want these things to be room temperature or pop them in the microwave until they're soft, just so everything mixes together nicely. I'm going to start with the cream cheese and the butter first. Just mix these until they're well combined, and then we'll add in that au jus seasoning. Okay. There's quite a bit of this spread here. You're going to spread a generous amount on the bottom of the rolls and then save a little bit for the top of those rolls as well. I'm just going to get spreading this on the bottom. Now that we have this cream cheese spread all over the bottom of our rolls, let's top it with our shredded beef. I have about 2 cups here. You can use 2 to 3 cups, whatever you have on hand. This is a perfect recipe because just use up your leftovers, right? Repurpose them so you're not eating the same meal every night for 4 nights in a row. All right. Next, we'll top the meat with our cheese. We'll put the top of the rolls back on and then spread the rest of this cream cheese mixture on top of the rolls. This will get nice and like bubbly in the oven. We're going to put them in a 350 degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes, just until the tops of these are bubbling and you can see that the meat inside is nice and warm and sizzling. I don't know why I keep doing that with my hand. As soon as these come out of the oven, I'm just going to brush them with a little bit of butter to get them nice and soft and just, okay, you can never have enough butter, right? All right, I'm going to put this onto just like a cookie sheet, toss them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. All right, let's take them to the oven. While those sliders are in the oven, do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with all of my latest videos, nice easy dinner recipes and yummy treats for your family. Comment below, let me know your favorite slider recipe. I've got a couple more up my sleeve that I'm working on. I've got a great Philly cheesesteak slider recipe on my site also you can find. Sliders are just good, easy go-tos, right? Okay, here. The timer just went off on the oven. I'm going to pull those out, bring them right here, spread a little butter on the sliders, and they're so good. Let's go pull them out of the oven. They smell so good. All right. You can see on the top here that cheese has gotten a little crusty, which is exactly what we want. So I'm just going to quickly spread a little bit of butter on the top to just help soften these rolls back up. And then after, it's just time to eat. This is all that it takes to make these sliders. You might want to let them cool for just a second though, so you don't burn your mouth off like I've done probably way too many times. But this is one that all of my family will eat. All 5 of us will eat these, which is a feat when it comes to little children and their food particulars, right? I know most of you could probably relate to that one. Okay, butter is all on. They're ready to go. I like to serve these with some like green beans or corn, some mashed potatoes, or like fried potatoes. They're good by themselves. They're good with other things. Good for lunch. These could be a great appetizer, dinner, snack, breakfast. I'll go there. I'll probably eat one of these for breakfast tomorrow. I'm not gonna lie. Next time you're looking for a recipe to use up your leftover roast beef, shredded beef, any type of beef, this is one for you. Super easy, super fast, super delicious. It's a trifecta. Is that a good ending right there? The trifecta. Okay. Let's eat one of these bad boys. That's what dreams are made of. Oh. Okay. Those are mine. All 6.